beautiful people. Today we are making chickpea curry with coconut milk. It's given dairy free. Okay, so first, if you want to have rice, we're going to start off with a cup of organic brown rice or whatever rice you choose and add 2 cups of water and add a little bit of butter to give our rice some flavor. You can also add salt as an option. Then in our skillet, we're going to add a piece of butter so we can coat the pan and get it ready for our veggies. Y'all see the flick of the wrist. Y'all see the flick of the wrist, okay? So we're gonna add about 1/4 of a red onion or purple onion, whatever y'all wanna call it. Add some salt for some flavor and add some crushed red peppers. If you're not a spice person, I would hold back on the crushed red peppers, but I do love spice. So the red peppers were a perfect addition to this coconut curry, y'all. Then I added a can of tomatoes and green chiles, which I got from Aldi. You can also buy fresh tomatoes and cut them up if that's your forte, and some green chilies. But for this easy recipe, we ain't doing all that, all right? So you're going to stir all that up. Y'all, my flick of the wrist game is crazy. Then adding your curry powder. Let me tell you something. I don't measure. I just eye it, okay? I eye it, okay? Just use your eyes and let the ancestors guide you. Then you're going to add some cumin. Cumin. What is cumin? Somebody write in the comments what cumin is. And then you're also going to add ginger as well. I love me some ginger, so I kind of went a little bit hard with the ginger. Then also you're going to add some onion powder because we got to make this real flavorful because chickpeas are very bland. So we need our sauce to be on and popping. You're going to add pepper, garlic powder, which is one of my favorite seasonings. And then you're going to stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Y'all, I was so pressed. I was really so pressed to really be using my handle and flicking this food. Then you're going to add some cayenne peppers. Once again, if you don't like spice like that, don't do too much. You see, I'm doing the most because I love spice. Then I went ahead and added some more salt because we just need flavor. It's pink Himalayan salt, so it is better than your table salt, so we all right. And then you're going to really stir all that up again and then use the flick of the wrist and shake the pan up. So I've used about 3/4 can of coconut milk. You can also use coconut cream if you choose. And then I added a can of chickpeas. Yes, I did wash the chickpeas beforehand. Anywho, you're going to stir all that up together. I know. Don't worry. It's going to thicken up. Be patient, y'all. So stir it up real good. You want all the coconut milk stirred up. You're going to let it sit for a while. Let it bubble. Got a bubble. Bubble. Let it all bubble up. And then you can come back and you can add some curry if you want. I was just looking at it and I was like, I just feel like this needs some more curry. I want this to be more yellow. So I'm going to add some more curry and then add some more salt. I know, y'all. I know. Don't worry. My blood pressure's fine. I'm all right. And then you're going to stir it up. Let it boil some more. And we really want to allow the curry to get thick. Hey. And the more time you give it, the more color it'll get. And then the thicker it will get as well. Thicker than a Snicker, just like me. That's how we want our curry to look. Use the flick of the wrist. And it comes out like this. You don't even have to cook it that long. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes. This is such an easy, vegan-friendly chickpea curry recipe that has a lot of flavor. And look at my plating skills, y'all. All right, y'all. Super excited to try this easy vegan curry chickpea recipe with coconut milk. First, we got to pray. Amen. Okay, y'all, I think this is cute. This is one of my cutest dishes so far. I really like the way, I plated this with the naan. We got some rice, the curry chickpeas, throwing a little cilantro for garnish. I'm sure you're going to be proud of me, Mom. Yeah, thanks. All right, y'all, but let's see how this tastes. Now, one thing I didn't do that I always advise people to do is do a taste test. Okay, do a taste test before you dish your food. See if it needs a little more salt, a little more curry, just a little more ginger, cumin. We don't know until we taste it and try it. And here I am. I'm just going to taste it and try it. Okay, all right. Bless it, Lord. Again. All right, y'all. Woo! This spicy right here. This is spicy. You know what I forgot? I forgot I put them red peppers in the beginning and the green chilies and ooh, the cayenne. This spicy now. It's good. Nice and creamy. That coconut milk will get you right now. Nice and creamy. You can also try it with coconut cream. That'll probably give you a more creamier consistency. But coconut milk is just fine for creamy consistency. This is one of my favorite easy go-to, less processed meals, y'all. That's super yummy, super fulfilling. You can do it with the rice, without the rice, with the naan, without the naan. You can do it with both. Okay, and here I am doing it with both. I'm slim thick, so you know, a little bit of carbs, a little bit of extra carbs won't hurt the sister out. You know what I'm saying? But I do highly suggest you guys get in the kitchen, cook this easy meal that can be done in less than 20 minutes, okay? And make sure you know you got a good serving. You know, this could last about 2-3 meals depending on how you eat. And then on to the next. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Do this in the naan. I love spice. It's so good with the naan, with the rice. It's so good. It's so spicy. I love spice. My mouth's on fire, but I wouldn't trade it for the world.